Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be testing the Miracle Berry with other things. We have some gross things like pickles and some good things like strawberries.
And apples.
So apparently it's supposed to, you eat it and then it makes anything or most things taste good that you eat, like candy. Also, I got surgery on my nose. I got my adenoids removed, so I can breathe through my nose now and I won't sound congested anymore. So we're gonna take a sip of water, because that's what it says to do.
I'm scared.
Scared too. The first thing we have to do is remove...
Sean, just give it.
Take it, and then chew it for 30 seconds. It doesn't taste that bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. I'm just anticipating what's next.
It tastes like a dried fruit. Okay, let's swallow it.
Swallow?
Yeah.
Oh, 30 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we swallow it, and then it says, enjoy the new flavors. So which one do you want to try first?
The lemon first?
Lemon? Okay.
But then I'm doing pickle. I can't.
Ready? Set.
Wait. I'm gonna swallow mine.
Okay. I'm scared.
I know, I'm scared too.
Oh, it's gonna be like super sour.
I know, me too.
Right, okay.
Okay, ready?
Wait, it's not.
Whoa.
It tastes like candy.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Because like normally you can't just take a bite out of a lemon without like...
Oh my gosh, I could eat this
without it
whole
being
lemon.
super sour.
Tastes like lemonade.
Yeah, like... Wow.
This is really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, I have high hopes now. Like, I
Can
could eat
get,
that
like,
whole lemon.
napkins?
Alright, pickles, please.
Pickles?
This is gonna taste exactly the same.
We'll see. Here, I'll take this huge one, because I'm forcing her to do this, and then she can take the small one. Ready?
Nope.
Really? Yeah, it didn't really change.
I mean, it wasn't that bad, but still not great.
Yeah, it wasn't as bad as like...
It could be worse.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Orange juice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers.
It's like not sour at all.
What the heck? It's so sugary.
Wow.
I want the lemon again. Yum.
Lime? Okay, let's do lime.
Oh no.
I don't think the lime will be bad.
How long is this supposed to last?
15 to 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Wow.
That one's a little bit.
Really?
Like, it's a little bit bitter,
Oh.
but not as bad as it could be.
But it's not like super sour.
Yeah. I just don't really like the taste of this one. But yeah, no, definitely sweet, not sour.
Apple?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try it. Sour green apple. So.
Not sour at all.
At all. Wow. Wait, this is so cool.
Strawberry?
Wait, I haven't eaten the apple first. Wait, what the heck? It's like super sweet.
Really, I was gonna say it's kind of like muted.
I mean, there's not as much strawberry flavor, probably because it took away all the sourness.
This is my favorite.
But like,
It literally tastes like lemonade.
yeah.
And like you could never just like eat a lemon normally.
Okay.
Okay, can I do this for you?
Okay.
I'm not doing it.
You have to.
Sean, I'm not doing it.
You have to.
No, I'm literally.
Yes.
Sean, I'm not doing this.
Then you have to do the balsamic.
Sure, but I'm not doing
The mustard. Ew, wait,
No,
wait,
sorry.
that's a lot.
I don't care, go.
Wait, that's actually not bad.
Stop.
Cause like,
You think it tastes good?
not good, but it's like,
Would you want some more of that?
no, but like, it's like, I can't explain it, but it tastes like mustard, but without like the spice or
Just like kind of muted.
yeah, it's just like the taste of mustard but like very watered down, I guess.
Okay. A little bit, seriously.
We have balsamic.
Because I really do not like balsamic. Please, I'm gonna think of the floor at Outer Banks. That's enough!
Okay.
Do you remember?
Oh, the floor out of
Like this literally smells like someone spilled balsamic all over by the elevators.
when we were in vacation.
And it's oh whew.
Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh, the smell.
It doesn't taste like,
It's not bad.
it doesn't taste like super sour or,
Okay, yep, that's it. I think. But wow, no,
but
that wasn't that bad.
it changed it a lot, right?
Yeah, wow.
You're not like peeking.
Lemon time.
That's so weird.
You want more mustard?
No more mustard.
Yum. I like the apple too.
The apple.
So this is our avocado. I personally love avocados.
I hate avocados, but I don't think it's gonna change much because avocado doesn't have that much
Wait,
flavor.
this one, please.
I'm scared because
Just you have to put it all in your mouth.
you didn't even do the mustard though.
Okay,
So
come on now.
what do we have? Yes, you didn't do.
Can't taste anything. Yeah, it tastes the same, honestly.
It's disgusting.
No, just
Gross. No, it's gross. It's gross. It didn't do anything to the avocado.
No, it doesn't.
Because avocado doesn't have flavor though.
But I like avocado, so good.
So, all the fruits, like the good fruits,
I think the biggest success was the lemon.
it changed like all the flavors except for the avocado. But the bad ones, like the balsamic and the
That was
mustard
okay.
and the pickle, what it really did is just make it not taste as bad as they really do. But I think overall this was a very good experience and it definitely works.
Yeah, that was really cool.
That was really cool. The lemon definitely surprised
And
me.
I was pretty skeptical at first.
She was so scared.
Yeah, I didn't even think that this would taste good to begin with.
It tasted just like a dried fruit, like freeze-dried raspberry or something.
Wow, this is so cool. Oh, I guess you could also, look, it says, for recipes and wild ideas, you could put this, like, in something too, right?
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know.
Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.